Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best open water goggles is probably one of the most important pieces of equipment for open water swimming, protecting your eyes from the sun, water, and other debris while ensuring a clear view of your surroundings. Choosing the right pair can significantly impact your comfort, performance, and safety, making your swims more enjoyable and efficient. Finding the perfect fit and features is key to a great open water swimming experience, so let's dive into what makes a goggle truly the best. Number 5. ZIONOR G1 Polarized Goggles. Experience the ultimate in swimming comfort and clarity with these advanced goggles. They're designed for superior protection and a perfect fit for everyone. These goggles feature a polarized lens that blocks harmful UV rays and glare, giving you true color vision. Enjoy clear vision even in bright sunlight. The soft silicone gasket and adjustable strap ensure a comfortable, leak-proof fit for all face shapes. They're designed to stay in place, so you can focus on your swim. Advanced anti-fog technology keeps your vision clear, while the double seal frame prevents leaks. Enjoy uninterrupted swimming, whether indoors or outdoors. The curved, HD lenses provide a wide, unobstructed field of vision. Swim with confidence and see everything around you. Made with premium silicone and polycarbonate, they're built to withstand regular use. These goggles are designed for lasting performance and comfort. What we like. It provides better eyes protection with its polarized lens, restoring true colors and eliminating reflected light. The comfortable silicone gasket and adjustable strap ensure a secure and leak-proof fit for various face shapes. If you prioritize eye protection and a comfortable fit for various face shapes during outdoor water sports, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. WIN.MAX Polarized Swimming Goggles. These goggles feature special polarized lenses and UV protection mirror coatings. They filter out harsh light and protect your eyes, giving you clearer vision. The hypoallergenic, soft silicone frame is comfortable and durable. It adapts to different face shapes, and the self-adjusting nose bridge ensures a perfect fit. The 3D silicone gaskets create a watertight seal, preventing leaks and keeping chlorine and salt water out. Enjoy comfortable swimming without irritation. With impact-resistant PC lenses and anti-fog technology, you'll have a 180 degrees clear and comfortable view. The streamlined design helps you swim more efficiently. Your purchase includes a microfiber cleaning cloth to keep your goggles spotless. We offer a satisfaction guarantee, so contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. These goggles stand out with their polarized lenses that filter out irregular lights and protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. The full silicone frame provides a comfortable and hypoallergenic fit for various face shapes. If you are looking for a comfortable, leak-proof pair for outdoor swimming, this is a great option for you. What people say. The fit is snug and comfortable, thanks to the adjustable straps, ensuring no water leaks during use. The blue-tinted lenses are perfect for bright, sunny days, offering excellent glare reduction and UV protection. Plus, the durable design adds a sense of reliability. From the moment I put them on, I could tell the fit was different, snug without being tight, no annoying pressure around the eyes, and most importantly, zero leaks. The lenses are polarized, which is a game changer. Whether I'm in a sunny outdoor pool or under bright gym lights, the glare is practically non-existent. Vision stays crystal clear and distortion-free. The anti-fog coating actually works too, I don't have to stop mid-swim to rinse or adjust. The strap system is simple but solid. It stays put, and the silicone doesn't snag my hair like other brands I've tried. Build quality overall feels premium, not flimsy or cheap plastic. Clear polarized anti-fog lenses with UV protection. Silicone frame, hypoallergenic, soft and durable, comfortable, adjustable. Number 3. Arena Python Racing Goggles. Experience the ultimate in performance and comfort with these innovative goggles. They're designed for both men and women, ensuring a perfect fit for every athlete. Never let fog obstruct your vision again. These goggles utilize advanced anti-fog technology, keeping your view crystal clear throughout your swim. Say goodbye to annoying leaks. The secure, comfortable fit of these goggles ensures a watertight seal, allowing you to focus on your swim. These goggles are designed for maximum comfort, even during long swims. The soft, comfortable seals and adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit. Easily customize your fit with the dual strap system. It allows for a precise and comfortable adjustment, ensuring they stay in place. Choose the lens that best suits your needs. They are available with both mirror and non-mirror options for various light conditions. What we like. It is designed for a racing performance with its streamlined design and anti-fog lenses. The ultra-premium materials and 3D gasket provide maximum comfort and a secure fit. If you are a competitive swimmer and prioritize performance and comfort, this is your ideal choice. What people say. They fit the face. They maintain streamline during dives. They do not flip up and back down and fill with water. They contour and remain in place. Other brands have broken or fall off easily, and these seem to have held up well throughout all meets and practices this year with no complaints and no issues. Have bought several pairs of these. My daughter is on a swim team. These are her favorite. Double strap to stay on is a must. Number 2. Swim goggles, anti-fog UV protection. Experience crystal clear vision underwater. These goggles provide superior comfort and performance for every swim. Say goodbye to annoying leaks. Its snug fit ensures a watertight seal, keeping your eyes comfortable and focused. Enjoy clear vision throughout your swim. The anti-fog coating eliminates blurry vision, so you can always see clearly. See more underwater. The wide lens provides a panoramic view, enhancing your swimming experience. Protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. They shield your eyes while you enjoy your swim. Suitable for adults, men, women, and youth. It offers a comfortable fit for all. What we like. This pair ensures a leak-free experience with its advanced design and comfortable fit. The anti-fog lenses provide crystal clear vision underwater. If you need a reliable and comfortable pair for pool swimming, this is a great option. Number 1. Arena Cobra Tri Goggles. Experience the ultimate in swim goggle technology. These goggles are designed for peak performance and lasting comfort, whether you're a triathlete or a regular swimmer. Say goodbye to foggy lenses. They feature a revolutionary swipe anti-fog system. Simply swipe the lenses to reactivate the anti-fog protection. Made with ultra-premium Japanese TPE and a 3D gasket, it provides an unparalleled fit and comfort. Enjoy a secure fit, even during intense training. The hard mirror polycarbonate lenses offer optimal vision, keeping water out and ensuring clear sight. No more blurry vision during your swim. It comes with a split strap for easy adjustment and 3 interchangeable nose bridges. Find the perfect fit for your face shape. These versatile goggles are ideal for triathlon, open water swimming, and indoor pools. The light lenses are perfect for low-light conditions. They are made from high-quality materials and are PVC-free. Enjoy long-lasting performance and peace of mind. What we like. The revolutionary swipe anti-fog technology ensures crystal-clear vision throughout your swim. The wide vision lenses and secure fit are perfect for triathlon and open water swimming. If you are a triathlete or fitness swimmer who needs reliable anti-fog technology and a secure fit, this is perfect for you. What people say. Unbelievably clear and did not fog up at all during an hour-long swim and not a drop of leakage. These are the most comfortable goggles I've had in 25 years or swimming. Perfect seal and no fogging, something I never experienced with any other goggles. Finding goggles that fit my eyes has always been hard, but these are an exception. They look nice, are comfortable, and have a single strap, which is sorely missing from other training goggles out there. They're also durable, lasting a long time if you rinse them thoroughly after each swim. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.